My name is Nick Detrich. We're at Cane & Table here in New Orleans in the French Quarter. The cocktail I'm going to make today is called the Shanghai cocktail. It's a cocktail from the Savoy cocktail book published by Harry Craddock in the early part of the 20th century. So this is the Shanghai cocktail. We're going to start with our shaker tin. 1.5 ounces of Ed's Jamaican rum from Worthy Park Distillery. And then on ice, we've got 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. A little bit of grenadine, 1/2 ounce of that. And then Herb St. Legendre for our anisette, 1/4 ounce. And then get a cocktail glass ready. Add some ice and give it a good shake about 15 or 16 times. And then Hawthorne strainer and a fine tea strainer. Give it a little tap to get it all out of there. Season your glass with a little bit more of the Herb Saint, as well as some freshly expressed lemon. And it's important that you season the glass and not the drink, just because you'll add a little bit too much oil to the drink otherwise. And this way also the oil will get on your hands and not become a part of the drink. Give your pigtail a twist. Plop it on the glass, and here is our Shanghai cocktail. Everyone got so quiet, I'm a little creeped out. You're too kind, thank you.